Save $15,000 by not paying mortgage points, and here is how. Did your lender tell you to pay points to lower your rate? Well, don't do anything until you watch this video. Hi there. I'm Gurfinkel, and I've helped over 2,000 families with their mortgages. Today, I'm going to show you the shocking truth about mortgage points that most lenders are hiding from you. In fact, I just saved a client $15K by not paying points, and I'll show you exactly how we did it. Let's cut through the confusion about mortgage points. I see clients every day being pushed into paying points without understanding if it actually makes financial sense. As someone who's been in this industry for 3 decades, I'm going to break this down into simple terms and show you exactly what you need to know. So, thing one. Let's start with understanding points. Let me make this super simple. When you pay points, you're essentially prepaying interest to get a lower rate. In other words, you are buying a lower interest rate, and typically reduces your rate by about 0.25%. Now, let's look at a real example I just worked on last week. Here is the math behind points. Let's take a $500,000 loan. This is where the media's fear porn stops and real math begins, by the way. At 7%, your payment would be roughly $3,909 per month, principal and interest. Now, paying $5,000 in points to get 6.75% rate only drops your payment by $83 a month. Sounds great. You're saving $83 a month, right? Well, hold on. Let me show you why this could be a terrible decision. You're falling into the break-even trap. That's why. Here is what other lenders aren't telling you. It would take 60 months just to break even on that $5,000 investment, i.e. your hard-earned money out of pocket. That's 5 years. And guess what? The average homeowner either sells or refinances within 4 to 7 years. So most of the time, I don't see people recouping paying points because they refinance sooner than the break-even point occurs. So how do you calculate that break-even point? You take the amount you spend, you divide it by the monthly savings, and that gives you a number of months it will take you to recoup it. So you can do that math yourself with a very simple calculator, no calculus required. Now, why points usually don't make sense? Let me be blunt on this one. In today's market, paying points is like betting against yourself. Here is why. The interest rates are historically high. The market is likely to shift.
You said that you would demand that the interest rates come down.
Well, I would put in a strong statement.
Do you expect the Fed to listen to you?
Yeah.
Your cash is better kept liquid. Refinancing opportunities will come because whatever goes up usually comes way back down. That's where you want to look and discuss the refinance strategy. Instead of paying points, here's what my most successful clients do. They keep their money in their pocket and wait for the refinancing opportunity. I just helped a family save $400 a month through a refinance, and they didn't have to pay a dime up front. Now, there are instances when the points might actually work. Now, I'm not saying points never make sense. They might, if you are getting builder credits on new construction. You're getting seller credits on a purchase that are over and above your normal closing costs and prepaids. You're retiring and never moving. You have a guaranteed long-term living situation and a multitude of other scenarios where basically you're not going to touch that loan ever again. But these scenarios are very rare. And I've seen maybe a few handfuls of cases in my entire career where paying points, lots of points, were the best option. Now, let me share something personal. When I bought my own home, I didn't pay points. When I bought the second home, I didn't pay points. Why? Because I understand the market cycles, and I know there are always better opportunities ahead if you're patient, strategic, and are playing a longer game. And I got to hold on to my cash. Now, don't like or subscribe until you've gotten real value from this video. But if you're considering paying points, here is what I want you to do. Book a free consultation with me. Let's review your specific situation. I'll show you exactly how to save money on your mortgage. And remember, I am here to help real families save real money. This isn't about theory. It's about putting more dollars in your pocket. Whether we connect online, through Zoom, or meet in person, I'll give you an honest, straightforward assessment of whether points make sense for your situation. Because no two situations are alike. Let's work together to make sure you are making the smartest financial decision for your future. Oh, and don't fall for the points trap without getting all the facts. Book that consultation with me and let's make sure you're not leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Catch you in the next one.